Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, select one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you finish, just tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!